Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write and record the song that you wish in GarageBand. But yeah guys, this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. Go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started selecting what kind of track we want to make. Here in the upper right corner, we have the live loops and we have the tracks option where we can use the recorder option, or we can go ahead and select the instrument that we want to record, such as drums, or we can connect our own guitar and start playing and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can go ahead and write a song we want to use. Basically, if you have written your songs and lyrics that you want to sing, this is how it works. You want to go ahead and click the recorder option right here, and now we can get started recording ourselves. So the record option is the big red circle at the top of the page where you can see, which is going to enable us to get started recording ourselves under our beat or instrumental that we have added using our instrument. So once you start recording yourself, you have all the options that you can use, such as you can add effects you might have, you can change your pitch, your tone, and so on right here with the sliders. And in the upper left corner, we can find even more sliders that are going to enable us to manage our options. So here we can find we have the plugins and equalizers such as the compressor, the bass, and so on, and we have the master effects to manage our echo, reverb, and so on. So these are all the options that you want to use for making your song sound how you want it to sound. So go ahead and select those options, and once you want to add an instrument, go back, and now here we can go ahead and either add some drums or we can add a keyboard and so on to get started creating our desired song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.